Of course, we always start with the fundamentals, and here at the Forex Factory website, so our attention is being drawn to 27th of February right here on Friday, where we are having the core PPMI, that's the core producer price index. Okay, right now we're expecting a value of 0.3. That's a drop from what we usually have to 0.7%. But actually, this figure coming out is going to point, it's a key indicator to whether the GDP is going to perform better in this quarter. All right, so I'm looking at three indices here. I'm looking at the price index, that's the producer price index. I'm looking at the service PMI. Okay, that's the service contribution to the GDP, and I'm also looking at the that is the manufacturing index. Okay, the manufacturing PMI. These three figures, all right, they're going to determine whether we are going to have a positive GDP or we're going to have a negative GDP or a drop rather in the GDP of the US economy. So we'll be looking at this figure in the coming days, and then we'll know what's gonna be for the GDP USD, because the US the dollar strength is actually anchored on the GDP as coming out in this quarter rather. So that will actually give the Fed some insight as to what to do about the economy in terms of strengthening the dollar some more, if they're going to cut rates or they're going to reduce their interest rates.